Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is HP DeskJet 2721E. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask 3-in-1. If you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is wireless printer. I'm going to show you the features for this printer. So you switch this printer on and off from here. So this is the on and off button, and this is LCD screen. This button here is for you to cancel. This button here is for you to resume. This is the Wi-Fi button. This is the information button, and this button here is for you to copy color, and this button here is for you to copy black. And this printer is with rear paper tray, so you can load various sizes of paper: A4 paper, 4x6, 5x7, and adjust it. Okay, and you can see from the LCD screen, you can see 0, and the Wi-Fi light is flashing. Okay, and this is information button. What I want us to do is to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink 305 ink cartridges is what it's using, 305 ink. And to replace the ink, what you need to do, you need to open up this, okay, and the ink cartridges holder is on the center. It's on the center. Now what you need to do is to replace to show you how to replace the ink. Open up this printer usually comes with ink cartridges. Okay, this is 305, 3 colors and black. So install the ink, open it up, and this is the black. Pull off. Okay, now if you go in to the black goes to the right. Okay, push it in. Now the next is 3 colors. Pull off. Okay, go in, push it upwards. Now close. Okay, and you can see the gauge for the ink cartridges is now full up. Okay, we'll show you that it's full. So this is how to replace the ink. Okay, if you want to remove it, the same thing is applicable. You just need to open it up. Once you open it up, the ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle for you to change it. Just need to wait. Here we go, it's ready. Just push down and remove it. So this is how to replace the ink. Okay, push it back up, do the same thing to this end, push it up. Now close. So this printer now the ink is ready. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Check out my next video how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.